Welcome to this sacred space. I am so glad you are here. Right now, in this moment. You are about to pierce through the fog that has clouded your vision. And activate the crystal clear sight that has always been within you. Find a comfortable, seated position, spine aligned and tall, shoulders melting away from your ears. You may close your eyes whenever you are ready. Or soften your gaze to a gentle point in front of you. This space is for you if you have been feeling the weight of mental clutter. If the noise of the external world has dimmed your inner light. Or if you are simply ready to see with absolute clarity what has been waiting to be revealed. Before we begin, I want you to know you are safe here, you are guided, and you are exactly where you need to be. Take a deep, anchoring breath with me now. Inhaling through the nose, filling your lungs completely, and releasing slowly, fully. Let the outside world fade. Let your to-do list wait. Let every distraction dissolve into the background. This is your time. This is your clarity. Imagine before you a single point of silver light suspended in the darkness, gentle, steady, waiting for you. This is your invitation to descend, not into sleep, but into a deeper, sharper awareness. Into the space between thoughts where true sight lives. Before you now, materializing from the void, a staircase made of pure silver moonlight. Each step glowing softly, calling you downward. This is the silver staircase, your bridge to absolute clarity. You place your foot on the first step. And immediately feel a shift. Your shoulders release. Your breath finds a deeper rhythm. Step 2. The external world grows quieter. The noise of daily life, other people's energy, all beginning to fade. Step 3. Your body feels heavier, grounded, anchored to the earth, even as your consciousness expands. Step 4. You notice a mist beginning to form around you. Not threatening, simply present. heavy fog of ordinary perception. Step 5. Halfway down, the silver light grows brighter, illuminating the fog. You can see tiny, glowing particles dancing in the heavy mist. Beautiful, but dense. Step 6. Your heart rate slows. Your mind becomes like still water. Step 7. You feel yourself crossing a threshold. The boundary between surface consciousness and deep inner vision. Step 8. The fog thickens momentarily, but you trust the light. You trust the path. Step 9. You are so deeply relaxed now, yet paradoxically alert, awake, present. Step 10. You reach the base of the staircase. And step onto the solid stone floor of your psychic chamber. You are safe here. I am safe. I am tethered. I return when I choose. Look around your chamber. It is filled with that dense, slow-moving particle fog. This fog represents every distraction. Every doubt, every piece of mental clutter that does not belong to your highest truth. Do not fight it, simply observe it. Watch how it swirls, heavy and slow. It is time to clear the space. It is time to command your vision. Repeat this anchor phrase in your mind. Or whisper it aloud into your chamber. I see through the illusion. I am anchored in absolute clarity. Feel the resonance of those words vibrate in the center of your forehead. Your third eye. I see through the illusion. I am anchored in absolute clarity. As you hold that frequency, watch the fog. Slowly, gracefully, the dense particles begin to part. They are pulling away from the center of the room. Dissolving into the shadows, leaving nothing but pure, empty space. And there, in the very center of the chamber, a single, brilliant point of crisp, glowing light remains. This is your true sight, sharp, focused, undeniably clear. Bring your awareness entirely to the space between your eyebrows. Your third eye. Imagine a corresponding point of light resting right there, dormant, waiting. With your next deep inhale, draw the energy of the brilliant light in the room directly into your third eye. And as you exhale, feel it switch on. A gentle, pulsing warmth spreads across your forehead. An opening, an awakening. Your inner sight is active. The fog is gone. Your vision is completely unclouded. Rest here in this perfect clarity. Allow any messages, images, or deep knowings to rise to the surface. Let's rest here for a few minutes to enjoy this clarity. It is time to bring this perfect clarity back with you. Into your waking life. You turn back to the silver staircase, your inner sight glowing brightly. The fog completely vanished, placing your foot on the bottom step. Beginning your ascent, coming up to step 8, feeling the energy returning to your physical limbs. Step 6, taking a deep, revitalizing breath of fresh air. Step 4, becoming aware of the room around you. The temperature of the air on your skin. Step 2, wiggling your fingers and your toes, feeling completely grounded, completely alert. And step 1, back in your physical body, fully awake, fully present. Whenever you are ready. You may gently open your eyes, carrying this unshakable clarity with you. Welcome back. Before you move on with your day, we must anchor this energy into the physical realm. Grab your journal or pull up the comments below. And write down the answer to this single prompt. What single truth is your higher self trying to make clear to you today? Write it down. Anchor it into reality, and step forward with absolute clarity. Until next time, stay grounded and stay open.